welcome guys, I'm Vivek from Gadgets Pro, and today I'm here to review the all new Asus VivoBook laptop, and I'm also doing the giveaway of this laptop, so watch this video till the end. So let's take a quick look at the laptop itself. So it comes with 75.4 screen to body ratio, full HD Nano S display. So let me give you the physical overview of this laptop. It is fully made of plastic and aluminium. On the back, it is my gold color and look very gorgeous. And you will get the all essential ports on the both side of the laptop. And the hinges are very good and seems to very strong. And it comes with Intel Core i5 8th generation processor with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM with 1 TB of hard disk. And the keyboard seems to very good, but it doesn't have the backlight keys and curved keys. But overall this is very good laptop, because in the 40,000 rupees price range I think this is best. So now moves to the camera. So it has 720p FaceTime camera. So let's take a look at the camera. So you can see on the display it is very bad quality of camera, and it have the modern type trackpad, that is force touch trackpad. So let's move towards the highlighting feature of this laptop is the fingerprint. Yes, this laptop comes with the fingerprint sensor on the right of the trackpad. You can use it for the Windows Hello feature. So let's take the little glimpse on the fingerprint sensor. You can see here I am unlocking my laptop with my finger. So the second highlighting feature of this laptop is you will get the fast charging. Yes, you get the fast charging in this laptop. Asus claims that you will get the 60% of charging in 49 minutes only. So this is good, and you will also get the very good quality of speakers in this laptop with Sonic Master software to manage the speakers. So it's time for the giveaway guys. The gift from my side for you. The rules are very simple like the previous one. Only thing that you have to do is first like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, and do a random comment. If you do more than one comment, you will disqualified. The winner will be announced on my social media handles. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere to get notified. So once again guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.